What's going on, guys? Today I've received something very special and expensive in the mail. I've been using this old Red Dragon keyboard for about 7 years now. This thing is only like 20 to 30 bucks on Amazon, but to be honest with you, this is a beast of a keyboard. It has lasted this long, no issues. I've spilled some stuff on it. As you can see, it's kind of dirty. I don't really clean it that much, but for how much I spent on this keyboard, this was a great keyboard. But all good things must come to an end. I've finally decided to upgrade, and I couldn't help myself but buy a one-piece keyboard. This is from the Higround keyboard company, and this is not sponsored. They didn't send it to me, but Higround, if you want to work with me, my email is in the description. Sorry guys, I just had to shoot my shot there, but I saw they're doing a one-piece collab. I've been thinking about getting a new keyboard. I just think now was the time. So we're doing an unboxing today. Forgot to mention that. I do really like the box though. This is a sick little box here, and I'm really excited because I've never had a keyboard of this caliber. Like I said, this Red Dragon keyboard, not very expensive, still very good though. Okay, we open up the box. Look better up here. Look better up here. I don't even know what that means. Higround card. Got just an info card. That was all the info on it. Here we go with the actual keyboard in this wrap. Oh my. Oh, I thought that was a sticker. There's a piece of meat. There's a piece of meat in here. I thought it was a sticker. But yeah, Higround did do a collab with One Piece. So they had a Zoro keyboard, Luffy keyboard, Nami keyboard, Chopper keyboard, Brook keyboard, I think was all of their options. And it might have been a Luffy keyboard plus like a Luffy Gear 5 keyboard maybe. You'll see in a second which one I chose. All right, I got some more stuff hidden in this box here. In total, this keyboard was almost $200. Came out to $190. There was like a 140 version, a 175, and like a 200 version. I got the 175, but with shipping and taxes or whatever, it came out to 190. All right, yeah, here's our cable. I think we have like a keycap puller. I've never even used one of these things. Maybe I can get some custom like Gear 5 Luffy keyboards or something. Or keycaps, jeez. Okay, yeah, I think this is a keycap puller. Just stick it on there and pull it out. And then this, honestly, I don't know. It looks like maybe another form of some sort of keycap puller. Okay, let's unveil the keyboard that we bought. Pretty skinny, honestly. I was kind of worried because it's like a 65% keyboard. And I do kind of like having some extra keys on here. So we'll see how much I like it. But here we go. The wrap is off. You might have just saw a little bit of it, but I'll go ahead and turn it around. Look at that. We got a Zoro Higround keyboard. This thing is sick. Dude, that is sick. Very minimalistic. Like I said, I think it's like a 60%, 65% or whatever they call it. But it's sick. I don't even know if my mic will pick this up. I don't know if you can hear that. But shoot, I didn't even read these, but we have the key letters here. So let me try to zoom in on them there. Yeah, you got the key letters and all that. Just so you know what you're clicking if you aren't familiar with a keyboard. But yeah, we got the numbers up top here. So we are missing like the function keys, the F1 through 12. That's one thing I'm kind of sad about. I do like using those. Like F9 is my Discord mute button. I have like a capture thing. Like if I'm playing games, I can clip a moment. One of my buttons is there, so we're just gonna figure out a new keybind for those. But shoot, what am I doing? This is how you know I don't unbox things. Let's plug it in. Let's get it in here.
Oh my gosh, guys, we gotta undo all of this to get to the keyboard. Oh my gosh.
Okay, finally got the old keyboard out of that mess. Let's put the one-piece one down and plug her in. Oh my goodness, she's glowing. Look at that bad boy. Mr. Zoro, I'm gonna be touching your keys every day, buddy. Let's see if I can do it. Oh shit, we're going. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Where the heck is the apostrophe at? Am I tripping? Oh my gosh, I am tripping. I gotta lock in. I can't talk and do this. Oh my gosh, that was bad, guys. 37 words a minute. I'm better than that, bruh. I'm better than that, bruh. We gotta go again. That was faster, right? 45. I'm not even doing 1 word a second, bruh. All right, my new Higround one-piece keyboard is plugged in. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video, but since it's one piece, I figured I'd make a little unboxing. Honestly, I realized I'm not good at unboxings while making this. But yeah, Higround, if you want to send me one the next time you guys release something, let me know.